What's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh, you can call me JD, and in this video it's not so much a sneaker review, it's more of like a discussion video slash sneaker review. I will be talking about a sneaker model that I believe is definitely the sneaker of the year in 2020. What if I told you that there was a sneaker model that every single GR colorway sells out and most of them have pretty significant resale value? What if I told you that the average price of every collab with this model is almost $1,000? No, it's not a Jordan 1, it's not a Jordan 4, it's not even a Nike SB Dunk. I am talking about the New Balance 992. So in this video, I will be, of course, reviewing the sneaker. We'll talk about the quality of the materials, the comfort, as well as the sizing, everything you need to know before copying one of these. And we'll also talk about why I think this is the sneaker silhouette of the year. So I personally own two pairs. One is a GR pair. This is the white and silver colorway of the 992s. And of course, I own the collab version. This is the collab with Jound on the 992s in the green colorway. So the first time this model released was back in 2006. It was a follow-up to the very popular New Balance 991s. I guess you can kind of say this sneaker was a bit ahead of its time back then. While it definitely was still popular, it was nowhere near as popular as the sneaker is today. However, there was one person in particular who loved this shoe, and that was Steve Jobs. Rest in peace. This was known to be his favorite sneaker model. You've seen him wear this at a lot of the Apple presentations. So this sneaker retroed for the first time this year in 2020, and even though I guess the dad trend has been around for what seems like a pretty long while now, it has proven to be one of the most popular shoes to drop this year. Pretty much every colorway that has released in this silhouette has just looked beautiful, flying off the shelves. Yes, it's another dad shoe, but it definitely stands out. It is such a beautiful silhouette, and I definitely think it is the sneaker silhouette of the year. And if you don't believe me, let's have a look at some resale prices. Look at the collabs. Back in All-Star Weekend, I know that feels like a really long time ago, but back in All-Star Weekend, there was two shoes that everyone was talking about. One was the Off-White Jordan 5s, the other was the Yeezy basketball sneaker. And this 992 pair kind of just snuck in there. It didn't get a lot of press or a lot of hype. And if you look back at it now, that sneaker has by far the highest resale price amongst all of the sneakers that dropped that weekend. Also, this collab, the one with Jound, not just the green colorway, if we have a look at the gray colorway as well, some insanely high resale prices on that pair. We're talking about $800 to $900. Also, the Dub Tabs pair. This is a pair too. Like, there was pretty much no hype on this sneaker right before the drop. And if you look at these prices too, like every single size over $1,000. There was a kit release as well with a very high resale price. Also, more recently, there was a Packer exclusive 992 colorway. And those are just the collabs. Now, even if you look at the general release pairs that have dropped, starting off with the most popular one, the gray pair, look at these resale prices as well. The pair I have in my hand as well, the white and silver pair, quite a pretty significant resale price there as well. So, I mean, the proof is in the numbers. There is just a lot of demand for the shoe compared to pretty much any other silhouette that dropped this year. Out of all the New Balance 992 colorways and collabs that have dropped this year, I want to know from you guys, what is your absolute favorite? Are some of these sneakers now a grail to you? I know a lot of people are saying that the Joe Fresh Goods 992s are now a grail sneaker for them. The 992s have proven to be one of the most difficult sneakers to actually cop this year for retail. For this video, I tried to basically look on several different websites and try to find as many pairs as I could for retail or under retail. I did leave some links in the description for you guys to check out. This pair, however, sorry, it is sold out. However, there are some other colorways, including this absolutely fire gold pair. Getting into the shoes themselves now, when it comes to quality, we know that New Balance is always the company that sets the bar when it comes to that quality standard, and it is no different on this pair. So the upper of the sneaker made out of mesh as well as leather, and my favorite material too, the suede that you see on the mudguard here. Very soft, very plush, very premium. The general release pairs do say USA at the back, and that is because this shoe is proudly made in the United States. If you do live in the US, you're pretty lucky because the retail price of the shoe is definitely lower than it is in Europe, especially when you take into account the currency translations. The comfort on this sneaker as well, just a very comfortable sneaker. I've said this in my review of the New Balance 990s. I think New Balance sneakers, compared to every other brand, for me, they are the most comfortable brand. Maybe the cushioning is not as soft soft as, let's say, Adidas Boost, but I personally find that these sneakers are the perfect balance of softness as well as stability. I personally find Adidas Boost to be a bit too soft, so if I'm wearing it the whole day, my feet do kind of hurt towards the end of the day. With New Balance sneakers, you can just wear them the entire day and you don't feel any pain. When it comes to sizing, I did get these true to size, so I normally wear a size 11 and they do fit kind of big. I personally would have rather gone a half size down. I can feel a little bit of heel slippage in my size 11. The shoe is also quite wide, so it's good for the wide footers out there. But yeah, my sizing suggestion would be to go a half size down than your other shoes. For example, a half size down than a Jordan 1 or an Air Max 1, basically a half size down from your true size. I really do think that when you consider the quality and the comfort of the sneaker, it's really worth the price, especially if you're able to cop any of these GR colorways too for retail. I really do think they are worth the price. So once again, let me know down in the comments your favorite 992 of the year, and also if you agree with me, do you think the 992 silhouette is the sneaker of the year? If you haven't already done so, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the like button. It really helps out the channel. It helps me out, helps support the channel, helps push it out to other people. So yeah, help your boy out. Hit that sub button and of course like the video if you found it useful. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for messing with the channel, and until next time, peace.